True life confessions. True life confessions. This ain't an unboxing. This is not. Y'all see how ratchet this ribbon is? Y'all see how ratchet this ribbon is tied? This is not an unboxing. It's more like a. See, let me explain. I had this for a minute. It's a new item. I had it for a minute. And the way my pages is set up, I couldn't wait. I wanted to see. Now, I'm take it out the box. But I just want to let y'all know, this is a lot better in person than it showed up on the pictures. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we friends. That is so easy. Now listen, I told y'all, okay, this is, y'all see how this ribbon look? This ain't an unboxing. It's not. But when I saw this, I saw pictures online on the gram. And I was like, oh, I do need a new one of these. Yeah, I'm being extra. I'm not telling you what it is until I unbox it, okay? So I was like, I do need a new one of these. And it's a little, you know, it's a little different. It's a little different. What's wrong with my shoulders? Ow. But I was like, I want to try it. So I ordered it. So when I got here, I wasn't in the mood. I wasn't in the mood to do a video, but I am now. All right, let's not talk about the past. I'm ready now. But I did want to unbox it, look at it, you know, satisfy my curiosity, and it's here. So okay, let's get this box open. All right, I heard you. I'm gonna open the box. Okay, here you go. All right, let's take this ribbon. Nah. Alright. Comment down below what you think it is. I ain't giving no hints. Comment down below what you think it is. Save the dramatics, Rakita. Alright, my bad. She cute. No, for real. Okay, listen. I'm gonna try to be serious. Yes, it is a struggle for me, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to be serious. Now, when I saw this bag online, on the gram, I do need another cosmetics case. I have a vintage toiletry case, and then, is that it? I mean, yeah, I got a Louis Vuitton toiletry 15, 19, and a 26, but do they count? Do they really? Not really, because I don't use, sometimes I'll use the 15. The 26 I use as a handbag. And the 19 I refuse. Okay, that is history. I refuse. So I wanted a toiletry pouch that I could actually use in addition to my vintage, why can't I say vintage? Like, why is that word trying to fight me today? Alright, I will not have it. My vintage no, that I know I can't say, so I'm not French. Okay. My toiletry, my vintage toiletry. So what I wanted to do is try this one and use this one. Y'all gonna be mad. Don't listen. Don't judge me. Y'all gonna be mad, because I know I just gave y'all that whole spiel about I wanted a toiletry case that I was going to actually use, but I ain't using her. I ain't. I am not. Like, look how cute she is. Now, I know there was some chatter, okay, about the corners, how that's going to crack over time. Listen. With it in my hand, I don't want to tell no lies. I'm looking. But with it in my hands, it is very well constructed. Okay? The seams are tight. The stitching is good. So no, and listen. Okay, this was $995, I believe, and if I'm wrong, I'm pretty darn close. Okay, so if some stitching, cracking, or would any defect come, like, hello, Louis Vuitton customer service, yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and put me a new one in the mail. Okay, you don't have no more, that's fine. Just go ahead and give me my $9.95 credit. Alright, I appreciate you. Okay, so what a problem? Ain't no problem. However, I don't, looking at it, feeling it, like messing with this crease, trying to put my little pinky in the crease is tight. I think it's very well crafted. I don't see those problems, but like I said, I got the number if it's a problem. Okay, so let's get into her. Again, this is the new toiletry pouch in the GM size. Only seen one size, but it do have GM on the description. Double zipper. Okay, when you open her, of course, it is a toiletry pouch, so it is the wipeable lining. And then it has one zipper pocket on that side. And then it has a slip pocket on this. What's that? Child. Okay, here we go, here we go. Not the sticker. Okay, alright, I don't even, okay. Here we go. We'll just do it like that. Alright, here we go. Can y'all see that? Oh, don't put this down. Can y'all see that? So it is the Vuitton Cosmetic GM, product code number M46458. Of course, I will put that information in the description box. So again, slip pocket on this side, zipper pocket on the other side. Don't talk about my nails. Don't talk. I know they not done. I know. I'm working. I can't get them done. I'm doing a lot of manual labor this week, all right? And I ain't getting them done just to mess them up. And like, who we kidding? Okay. If you're not new here, you know I don't care about nobody's nails, okay? Especially mine, okay? But anyway, so this is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Yeah, see that? Wipeable lining, pretty good size. Now, I'm not gonna use it as a clutch because I can't be carrying stuff around without a strap. My patience. Ma'am, you gonna stop stop it. You gonna stop disrespecting me while we talking to our friends. Do this every time. Okay. But like I was saying, I am not a clutch girl. I can't see me using her as a clutch. However, for the girls who got the patience, she is cute as a clutch. Do y'all see? Okay. She can be done. Oh wait, let me puff her back out. Okay, I gotta get some puffer paper. Not puffer paper. What is that? Airbags. Not airbags. Child, this is not a Honda. You know them stop playing. The air paper that come in your Amazon packages. Whatever. You know what I mean. But yeah, double zipper. I like her. Y'all. Oh, little vachetta tabs on either side. Gold hardware. Oh, she is cute. I just like her shape. Now I ain't even going. Oh, somebody make me use her. Talk some sense to me in the comments. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my quick reveal. Like I said, I had it for some time. I had already unboxed it because I wanted to see, you know, curiosity and the cat and all that other stuff. But I did want to share it with you guys because I did not see it a lot on these YouTube streets. And just in case you were interested, hopefully, I know I play too much. I know I play too much, but hopefully my review of it still, well, not review because I haven't used it, but my reveal and maybe going over the details helped you make a decision. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video, unboxing, reveal. My patience not working, so you get a quick little looky see. Just go ahead, stop, subscribe. All right, just out. don't know what you're gonna get on this channel sometimes, child. But just go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications so we both can be surprised together. And follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Like to Know It, all the places, honey, at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.